Wash, rinse, plant. Colorado is used to this process. A wildfire wipes out a hillside, causing the potential for flooding and mudslides, and then we plant in the area to prevent that from happening. That's the issue in the Cameron Peak and East Troublesome burn scars. Plants are not growing back at the rate researchers expected. The vegetation in those areas help prevent loose ground from turning into landslides, debris flows, and other mass erosion events. Without them, that risk lasts even longer after the initial fire. Now, there are temporary band-aids for the situation, like aerial mulching. That's expensive. The U.S. Forest Service got around $22 million for mulching in the Poudre and Big Thompson. The money does not go as far as you might think, though. It costs between $2,500 and $3,000 an acre. You could also plant trees, but those take years to grow and are not cheap either. A fire ecologist from CSU says with future fires, it could take even longer to regenerate forests.
2020 was a pretty crazy year for us, but it's not expected to be that crazy in terms of the conditions that it created when those fires happened in the future. And so we need to figure out how we're going to manage these landscapes so that those next large fires don't happen.
She says part of that future is learning how to live more effectively with fire and having those conversations around mitigation and recovery. In the short term, mulching and reseeding native plants is one way to nudge Mother Nature along.